Shanaz says, I have a small doubt and hope you can clarify at your earliest, inshallah. Okay. I just want to know the practice of reciting a surah from the Quran before starting a meeting or a halaqah, a circle, or any sort of gathering is sunnah or is it an innovation? Did the Prophet ﷺ and his companions legitimize this? The answer is that what is happening nowadays in all conferences, in all gatherings, in masjid lectures, in university graduation ceremony, you have someone coming, reciting a Quran, a page or so, and then they continue to do their function. This is a clear innovation. The Prophet never had done this, alayhi salam. The Imams of Islam had never done this in Islam. This is something that came like maybe less than 100 years ago. Before that, it was never present. However, if this is done randomly, or if it is used to something that is beneficial, meaning that I have a lecture on Hajj, and they inaugurate my lecture with a recitation on Hajj. So the guy recites verses of the Hajj, I comment on these, give interpretation, tafsir, and I go into my lecture. This is totally legit. But to have this done every single time, this is an innovation.